Hello, Wrestler RVerTV. How you doing today? Okay, we are leaving the Avenue of the Giants. Wasn't that cool? Them trees were massive, huge. The fallen ones, when one of them big ones falls over, it takes about 6 trees out with it. Unreal. I'm heading up towards Eureka too. Not very far. It's not very far at all. Been a long day. I'm going to be staying at a campground. We're going to be out by the water, close to the ocean, at a county campground. So we're going to be up here in Eureka in a minute. This is 101 North, by the way. Yeah, those giant trees, my goodness, I'm still in awe of it. That lady, that guide that took us around, that little group I was in, very knowledgeable. The visitor center was cool. If you get a chance, go down the Avenue of the Giant Trees. You won't regret it. Ton of campgrounds in there too, and RV parks. Okay, welcome to Eureka, California. 3 years ago, I stayed at the Elks Lodge here when I drove down with the cargo trailer, but I don't want to do that this time. That was kind of back in the residential area. I kind of was Googling around and found these county parks they have in Humboldt County. They got camping. It's supposed to have like showers and restrooms too. For $20. Not bad. But this is Eureka. It follows 101. 101 goes right through the heart of the city. Now, don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure this is the biggest town in the whole region up here along the coast. I know there's Crescent City farther up, but that's a little town. And so I think this is it for a big town. They got it pretty much everything here. It's definitely a fishing town. All these coastal towns have fishing, commercial fishermen, and a ton of boaters too. Look at all the motels. I just keep passing them. Motel after motel. See a few RV parks too. It's overcast. It's getting on in the afternoon. I'm hoping, if I'm not in restricted airspace, to fly the drone later. So we'll see. Pretty much everything I've been around the last few weeks, it's been airports and restriction on on flying. Boy, there's a car wash. This van is so filthy, but I'm gonna hold off. Maybe when I get up to Oregon in a couple days. And Oregon's not that far. The border is probably about 100 miles, maybe. Okay, this big right turn here. The ocean is off to the left. There's also a big bay. They got like dunes out there, and this campground's supposed to be out on the dunes. So it's between the ocean and the bay. We'll see in a little bit when we get there. Check out the old buildings though, isn't that cool? I mean, all these towns along the coast, the history is just everywhere. These things have been here forever. But, you know, I don't know about California, but I wouldn't mind living on a coastal town. I could deal with the fog and the clouds. There's the sign. It's a little highway 255. Yep, Samoa. That's where we're gonna go. Looks like we'll make a left up here. Then we're supposed to go across some bridges, and then we'll be out on the dunes. Away we go. Gas over $4 here. Alright, we're heading out. There's one bridge. Showed it on Google Maps. Now this is an inlet bay, and it's got deep water channel markers, so big boats can come in here. I'm sure there's a lot of private boats too, small fishing boats and whatnot. It is kind of cool. I never thought of county campgrounds. I've been looking at state, you know, or wherever, casino parking lots and whatnot, Elks. But when I was doing some Google search the other night, all of a sudden these county parks popped up. Cheap, and the reviews on them are great, and they're right on the water. Almost there. Google Maps says I'm going to make a left up here in the next road. Will we ever survive without Google Maps? Turn here, turn there. I don't use the sound, I just use the directions. Okay, we're gonna make a left on this road. I'm not sure of the name, but it's the only one out here. You can Google this. It's the county park. I think it was Dunes, something Dunes. County Park. I'll put the name in the description when I edit this thing. Okay, where we go. The ocean is on the right, just over those mounds of probably sand. And then the bay's off to the left. This is like a narrow strip of land, but the sign back here said 5 miles, so we're going to go out a ways. The abandoned trailer, I've seen a few of them. You see people fishing. There's some jetties out there too, rock jetties off to the right. And I see a little tiny, see that little blue sky right above us? Maybe I can fly the drone finally. Yay. Okay, should be up here soon. Okay, made it. It's right there on the left. I see a motorhome, a couple trailers. Coast Guard's right down there. All you do is put money in an envelope, get a permit number. No one works these parks. There's your showers and restrooms on the right. The showers are coin operated though. I don't care. Alright, let me go find a spot and then we'll go take a walk. Cool. They do have a host here that just kind of oversees it. He don't collect any money. He does sell firewood. He just makes sure everyone behaves. Alright, now over here, let's walk over. This is the inlet bay side. Listen to that water lap. It'll be good sleeping tonight listening to that. I'll leave the windows open. Okay, well, let's hike across the parking lot and then we'll go check out the other. There's a boat ramp over here. Okay, here's their boat ramp. Yeah, that host is saying Memorial Day weekend. This is standing room only. You couldn't have fit another tent or trailer in this place. Now it's completely empty. Also said it's rarely full, only on the holidays here. And with the senior discount, it's $20. And this is operated by Humboldt County. And these are dunes. You got the inlet bay and then the ocean on the other side. Look at the blue sky. I gotta get the drone up. It's peaceful. I only see a couple of sets of footprints here. Okay. Big chunk of driftwood. Alright, well, I'm going to go back to the van. Look at the blue sky. I want to launch a drone. We'll get at least one drone shot. I don't think there's any airports or any restrictions out here. So, we'll find out. The pretty flowers. Look at the yellow one. I don't know what kind those are. They're well watered, that's for sure. Look at that one. Pretty. Okay. See the blue sky? Alright, let's go back over to the van. Get the drone out. No, it's windy, it's warm. It's in the 70s here. There's the host. That's his motorhome there on the left. Alrighty, well, I'm tired. I'm gonna fly the drone, call it a night. Tomorrow I'm gonna go up by Trinidad. And there's another county park I want to check out a little ways up the road. So that'll be the next video. Alright, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. Click the little bell icon for notifications of future videos. Also, help support the channel. In the description, there's links. Buy me a cup of coffee. Shop on Amazon. Get a t-shirt. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Stay tuned for some drone footage. Take care.